So finally I understand what for loop is. Okay, it took me a while. There was the most difficult, most confusing thing for me like 5, 6 years ago when I was trying to learn it. Let me break it down for you and break it down for me in case I forgot in the future. Okay, so the confusing thing is for, let's say, for E or for I, whatever, so it doesn't matter. For elephant, okay? Elephant total is elephant. Okay, so print total. So what does it really mean? What is it? So B is, let's say, line. Okay, lion is given these numbers. Okay, 20, 10, and 5. So total is 0. It's given the number. Okay. So for elephant in B, that means you will run through you will check all these 3 numbers. Okay, you will go through these numbers, all these numbers. So what it really means is here, the first time it runs through, let me comment it out. First time total. So total was 0. Total is 0 now. Okay, in the beginning to start with, total is 0, and now we have a number. It's first number. We're gonna add the elephant. What's the elephant? For elephant in B, that means the first time is 20. Okay. Then the second time, the total is total plus elephant. So we have 0 plus 20. That was before. Then we plus the second number. That's 10. Right. So the third time total is 0 plus 20 plus 10, then plus the last number. Okay, so this is how it runs. Let's run it. Okay, something is wrong. Line 7, what's wrong? For elephant in B is not defined. What is B? For elephant in B, we need to change this to line. Okay, now it works. Okay, for elephant in lion, for whatever it means, elephant, like, it can be anything. It can be elephant, it can be chicken, it can be like chicken. So it doesn't really mean anything. Like, it's just how it is. Okay, so for this quotation just means chicken will represent this number, and this number. So we'll go through all these numbers, and we'll be those numbers. First time it will be the first number. Second time it will be the chicken will be the second number. The third time the chicken will be will represent the third number. Okay. So we have this equation. Total means total plus chicken. So now you see. I hope you understand. So it's just like how it works. It doesn't really make sense, but this is how it works for me. If I look at it this way, it makes sense. If I really trying to make sense of this doesn't make sense, but I know what it does. So, and this is the interesting point here. Like print, if I indent it for 4 spaces, it prints out a number every time. Okay. So if we put a print here, print total, it will print. I think it will be 0. Yes, 0. It prints one time. Now total is 0. Okay. And the second time, so that means when second time is the first time it runs. Okay, so let's delete this. So let's run it again. So it means this is like 20 first time, and second time 30, 35. So this is the last time it runs, because it only runs one time, because when this is finished, it will run. Okay, so let's make it more complicated. Let's add more, whatever. So it will be hard for me to add those numbers in. Okay, so if I run it, will be okay. So every time it adds up. Okay, yeah. So this is how it works. I think I finally understood what it is. Okay, so what if I change it to a apple? I think it will be, yeah, it will be error. Okay, this is my breakdown, my explanation, and yeah, hope this will be beneficial to people.